Good morning, friends! Welcome back to my story. Today is Saturday. No school today. Yay! Look at the sun. It is smiling at us. Before we go out, I must get ready. First, I wash my face. The water is cool. Then, I brush my teeth. Up and down, left and right. Now my smile is shiny. I need to choose a dress. The blue one or the pink one? I think the pink dress with flowers is perfect for a picnic. Okay, I am ready. Are you ready?
Come on, let's go!
Let's go to the kitchen. We need food for our picnic. I have my big basket. We have sandwiches, of course, but we need more snacks. Look at these red apples. Before we eat them, we must wash them, clean and fresh. I also have some cookies, chocolate chip cookies, my favorite. One for me, one for Mr. Bear, and one extra cookie, just in case. We also need a bottle of water. Staying thirsty is not good. Okay, the basket is heavy now. Let's go. To get to the best picnic spot, we have to cross the magic bridge. Follow me. Look down. Do you see the water? It is a small stream. The water flows fast. Can you see the fish? Little orange fish are swimming. They are so fast. Be careful. Hold the railing, step by step. Phew! We made it across the bridge. The park is right there. Look at the tall trees dancing in the wind. Here we are. The grass is perfect. Let's eat our lunch. The sandwich is tasty. The apple is crunchy. Wait. Shh. Listen. Do you hear that sound? Something is in the bushes. Is it a tiger? No. Is it a rabbit? Maybe. Oh, look! It is a puppy. A little brown puppy. Hello, puppy. He looks friendly. He is wagging his tail. Wag, wag, wag. He looks hungry too. Remember the extra cookie? Here you go, little puppy. Wow, he eats very fast. He likes the cookie. Now we have a new friend. Mr. Bear, meet Mr. Puppy. We are full now. Let's relax. I brought a storybook. Do you want to hear a story? The puppy sits down. He wants to listen too. Once upon a time, there was a magic castle. Reading books outside is wonderful. The birds are singing along with my story. The puppy is sleepy. His eyes are closing. It is nap time for him. The sun is going to sleep. The sky is pink and purple now. Oh, look! The puppy sees his owner. Goodbye, puppy. Go home safely. We had a big adventure today. We crossed a bridge, ate yummy food, and made a new friend. Thank you for coming with me, Anna.
Goodbye, everyone. See you soon.